Good morning, children. Now, these days, the only prominent question to ask is a simple how are you? Difficult times, very difficult. And in these difficult times, it is very important to keep our morale high, chin up, and fight off all the adversities we are facing today. That's the only way out. Anyways, let's revisit a very short story which all of you might have heard. The story about two friends who were traveling through a jungle while passing from one village to another. Now, along their way, this forest was very deep. While passing through the forest, they saw a bear approaching towards them. Obviously, they were frightened. One friend climbed up a nearby tree and hid himself there. The other, however, did not know how to climb the tree. So he just lay down on the ground like a dead body. The bear came near him, smelt him all over, and taking him for dead, went away. When the bear was out of sight, the friend who was on the tree came down and jokingly asked the other, "What did the bear say to you in the ear?" The other friend replied, "The bear advised me to beware of selfish friends." Haven't we all heard this story? Now, this is a very simple story, but teaches one of the greatest lessons of life. Though this is a fictional story, it teaches us a lot. But still, let me give you a real life example. Have you heard of Dhirubhai Ambani? For the ignorant, he was one who laid the foundation of the gigantic Reliance group of industries of now. Great man, great visionary. But do you know, he wasn't born rich. During his early days of struggle in Mumbai, he had a habit of an evening walk with his friends near the Gateway of India. You must have heard Gateway of India in Mumbai. And he would like to go to Taj Hotel for a cup of tea. It was around 50 rupees at that time, compared to 500 rupees of today. And only the famous and the rich could afford that. However, his friends were surprised to see this act of having expensive tea at such a luxury hotel. They used to have tea at a roadside tea stall for only 5 rupees. One day, one of his friends asked him the reason for paying so much for a cup of tea, a mere cup of tea. Dhirubhai replied, "I am paying 5 rupees for the tea and another 45 rupees of the opportunity I am getting to connect with the city's most influential people." Connections, networking, contacts, these all words you will hear frequently when you grow up. Right now, just remember, you are average of the 5 people you are in regularly contact with. Choose those 5 people wisely. Choose those 5 people carefully. Yeah, we do need friends around us, but it is foolish to have them just for the sake of company. This so-called company will follow once you are successful. Let me give you an example. Recently, when India won the series in Australia, hundreds and even thousands of people were there at the airport welcoming the team. But how many were there to see them off when they were going? Ever thought of it? If you get successful, you will get the people around you. Don't worry about that. As a footnote, children, please take care of yourself and ask everyone at your home to follow all the guidelines to be safe from the COVID infection. Be safe. Good day, children.